Hello teacher. Hello friends. English 3. Speaking. Step 1. Presentation. The video. My name is Miguel Ángel Fernández Millán. I live in Huacarí, Valle del Cauca. I 22 years old. I am single. I study environmental engineering. Okay? Part 2. Traditional place. In the stadium of Huacarí. In the photography, in the stadium of Huacarí. In the stadium of Huacarí, the children training soccer. Always training soccer. And I play to soccer in this place, in the stadium, the weekend. And golf every day. I like to exercise every day in the stadium. And the weather is rainy because of the winter. Okay? This place. Thank you. Bye.